Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the last day of this week's magical math morning session. And yesterday, you have learned how to quickly double any number, and two times doubling is multiplying by 4. We are going to extend that concept for multiplying with 8 and further. Okay, and it's the same technique. And if you would have attended yesterday's session and learned the multiplication of 4, just a little bit of extension is going to help you to multiply by 16 also. So let me open the board. And yes, before starting the multiplication by 8, let's quickly recap whatever we have practiced yesterday by doubling the numbers. Doubling means just multiplying by 2, 4, 8, etc. We can use 16 and all, it will become little more cumbersome, but at least up to 8 we can use this method very comfortably. So whenever we want to multiply any number by 2, we have learned yesterday how to think that in the concept of doubling. For example, 16 is into 2 means we consider that one as a double of 16, 32. Now another again into 2 means we consider the concept of doubling of 32, that is 64. Into 2 means what? 128. This is what we are going to learn. Suppose 16 into 4, how do you do? 16 into 2 into 2, correct? 16 double is 32, 32 double is 64. But the same thing, if you want to multiply 16 into 8, let's take. Sorry, I think it got stuck. Just a second. Yeah. 16 into 8, it takes 16 into 2 into 2 into 2. Double, double, and one more time double. 16 double 32, double means 64, into double means 128. This is the secret of multiplying by 8. Whatever we did for 4, we extend by just another one step. Okay, let's try with some other numbers. Maybe let's take 18 into 8. But this we know very easily. But I want to give this as an example. 18 double 36 double 72 double 144. Suppose the same thing if I had asked you to multiply 28 into 8. 28 double means 56 double 112. Once again double means 224. This is how we do. Correct. 28 double is 56, again double 112, again double 224. This is the easiest method to multiply by 8. Let's try some big number, maybe some bigger number like 39 into 8. What we do, we think it in 3 steps in our mind. First is 78, then comes 156, then comes 312. Isn't it easy? Very simple. Okay, now let's see much more bigger numbers. Maybe something like 108 into 8. Let's take how we think it in 3 steps. Just double it, 216, double it, 432, again double it, 860. But these things we need not write. We can just multiply in our mind and write it. Yeah, splitting and writing, the technique is used for multiplying with the 2-digit numbers that I'm going to tell you in the next sessions. But now for 4 and 8, this is the fastest technique you can find anywhere. Multiplication of 8 table up to 20 or 30 we can do easily. But when we want to do it for bigger numbers, for example 224, let's take. Okay, 244 into 8. What we do, in the first step we think about 488. In the next step what we think? 876. In the next step we think about 800 means 1600. This is 152. So 1752. Just third step, it may take little time, but still we'll be able to complete everything within 2 or maximum by 3 seconds. Isn't it easy? Yes. Shall we practice some numbers? Let's start from some simple numbers. And for this to become habituated, we should always practice that one in terms of doubling. Okay, everyone ready with the with your chart keyboard? So whatever I tell, think in mind and just type it. Initially, you may try to write that on the paper, just double and once again double and again double. But as you practice, try to think everything in mind. Let's take 57 into 8. Take it. Just double, again double, and again double. Type the answer in the chat. Yes, correct. Yes, very good. Just doubling 114, again double 228, again double 456. Let's take same thing 157 into 8. 157 into 8. First one, always think like this 152 is 300. Correct? No? 314, 628, then 1256. Yes, that is perfect. 1256. Very good. Correct? You are able to multiply in few seconds. Correct? Now, maybe let's take 234 into 8. Any number you can randomly select. Just double it. You continue with the habit of just doubling any number that you get in your practice. Very good, very good, very good. This is 1872. 234 is 468. Correct? And 936. So automatically come to 1872. Very good. Let's try little different kind of number so that odd numbers which is peculiar will take 197 into 8. Try this. No, I said 197 into 8. Yes. I think you have to check once properly. Yes, 197. What we consider always we think in terms of doubling of this. 19 to the 38, correct? No? So 394 we think. Then 788. Obviously it is 1576. Correct? 1576 is the perfect answer. Is it very simple? Now I'll give you one simple homework. Okay. So can we extend the same thing for 16? Yes, but only in case of small numbers. But bigger numbers, again doubling of this may take little more time. So for that, there is another trick. For the time being, what we do, when we want to multiply by 4, just double twice. When we want to multiply by 8, just double thrice. So last one, let's try this. Maybe little bigger number will take 749 into 8. Let's try 749 into 8. Maybe you may have to use little bit of pen and paper, but still it is worth it. Right? Instead of doing all the things, we'll be doing very easily, very fast, and very accurate also. Very good. It is 5992. See, just 750 doubled 1500, correct? No, we can think in that case also 1498. Again double it, you will get for 3996. Then we'll say double means we'll get 59, sorry, 2996. Then double means we'll get 5992. It requires a little bit of practice. Rest everything is very simple. In this weekend I want you people to refresh all the concepts of subtraction and also the multiplication by doubling concept, 2, 4 and 8. And since it's very simple one, we'll wind up here. And in the next session, that's true, in Monday's session, I am going to teach you the most important concept for you, that is telling of, if you learn tables up to 10 thoroughly, you will be able to tell the tables up to 100 in just in seconds. For example, if you say 35 into 6, we said directly it is 180. With that much speed, you should be able to tell any tables up to 100 very easily. That we are going to learn on Monday. So next session, I don't want any of you to miss, because that is the one which is going to save a lot of time for you. Hope you all enjoyed this. This is a short but crisp one. And remember, maths mein maja hai. Keep practicing and see you all Monday morning with the best trick of multiplication tables up to 100 just in seconds. Bye bye. Take care.